And the first thing I want to talk about here are edge functions. With Supabase, edge functions are used for running small bits of server-side code on demand, like handling webhooks, calling external APIs, or doing anything you don't want to expose in your front end. And whenever you're self-hosting Supabase, setting up edge functions works a little bit differently. So to learn more, let's go ahead and click on edge functions. And then scroll down the page to where it says self-hosting edge functions. Since we're self-hosting Supabase, the main difference here is that edge functions aren't managed automatically like with Supabase Cloud. So to learn more about self-hosting edge functions, click on Docs, and then scroll down to the Docker configuration. If you want to set up edge functions using Docker, you'll copy this code here. Then I'm going to go back to Coolify, click into Projects, I'll click into my project, then click New. And then here you can create a Docker image to set up edge functions within your project. And if you need more help with this, just refer to the self-hosting Supabase doc here. I'll make sure to leave a link to this in the description.